Hello, my name is Felipe Fontecha Peña. This my recipe called brown, white walnuts and chocolate chips and browning is a small chocolate cake typical of the United States gastronomy. It is so called because of its dark brown color or brown in English. The ingredients: 1/2 cup butter or margarine, 2 large eggs, 1 cup purple flour, 1 cup sandwich chocolate chips, 1 cup brown sugar packet, 1 cup cup cooked walnuts. Preparation: stew 1. Preheat oven to degrees Celsius. Stew 2. Grass inch pan. Step 3. Combine butter or margarine and chocolate chips in sugar pan. 1 low heat. Stir often until melted. Do not overheat. Remove all to 1 hot pot. Stick 4 bare eggs in mixed bowl until 40 and sugar and vanilla beat to max what chocolate mixture. To this mixture stir. Step 6. Add flour and walnuts. Stir yours until modest. Step 6. Scrape butter into pan. Spread evenly. Step 7. Bake in oven for 25 minutes. Cool brownies before cutting. Thank you for your attention.